Cooking apa?
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Appa have one 7-star grouper here with me. I'm going to steam it today. Yeah, I haven't decided how I want to steam it, but let's steam the fish first and decide how to make the steaming sauce. So what I did was actually after washing it, I made few slits on the fish body, and then put some ginger, and also ginger in the cavity. Yeah. I raised the fish a little bit using one piece of ginger at the bottom. Then we also will give it a bit of fine salt, yeah? And send this to the steamer. Right, once your steamer has been preheated, put the fish in the middle and we'll steam it for about 8-9 minutes for this size. This is probably 600 gram only. As you all know, Appa steamed fish sauce is always very easy but super yummy as well, yeah? First of all, 1 bowl of hot water. Give it a few rounds of premium light soya sauce. Give it some fried garlic and garlic oil. A very yummy steamed fish sauce is ready. See how simple it is? I'm going to garnish it with some fried garlic and also fresh coriander later. Right, this is after about 9 minutes plus. Wow. Ooh, look at the beautiful whitish color. Let me show you. Are you seeing what I'm seeing right now? Look at the beautiful whitish color. And of course, we see some steamed fish water. That is the source of fishiness. I'm going to pour away the fishy water before I pour the steamed fish sauce. Right, I have removed the fishy water. Then we're going to pour in, oh, and also remove the ginger. Pour in the steamed fish sauce. Extra fried garlic. The more the merrier. Appa is a garlic person. Who else is like Appa? And last but not least, garnish it with some fresh coriander. Right, I hope you like my very simple video today. If you like my video, do share my video on Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow Appa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.